How's it going, guys? We're here today in the Camarillo studio to check out a brand new line of vices that are available now on HaasTooling.com. And I've got Bill from Kurt here to show us kind of the design principle behind these things and walk us through how they work. So with that said, Bill, I'm just gonna let you take it away and run off camera here.
All right. Again, Bill Enstrom with Kurt Work Holding. I'm gonna show you a new vise that Haas is gonna be selling. It's very unique in that it's a 3-in-1 vise. It can do a lot of things, prototype to production, whereas a double station normally was a double station, single, this does it all. And it has a built-in quick change vice jaw system, the CarveSmart quick change vice jaw system, which many of you already know about. I'm gonna quick show you. This is how you'd get it out of the box, and I'm just going to open it up and quickly show you the vice jaws. So just open it up, and you don't have to open it up far because you don't have to access cap screws. You just go from the top with this wrench here, loosen these up, and take that vice jaw out. It's got a dovetail on it and a dowel pin, so it accurately relocates within just a few tenths. I'm gonna put another jaw in here, and like I said, you don't have to open it up to access cap screws, and that's how fast a jaw change is. And with that system comes long extrusions, edge gripping, hard steel 50 Rockwell, 1018, a whole list of things. But what we did is we keep the ability to use your cap screws. So if you don't want to use the jaws system, you don't have to. If you got jaws that you've already made, you want to put on here, it does both. The jaws just snap on and off that fast, that easy. So that's the vice jaw system. I'm going to show you how we'd set it up as a double station vise. You just open it up, and like I said, you don't have to have high production. It can be first op, second op, edge grip here, 5 sides, flip it over. I'm just going to open it up and put a couple parts in here, drop them in, and show you how we'd set it up. You'd basically put 2 or 4 parts in here, tighten it, loosen it up about 1/8 of an inch, and then tighten the holding block back here like this. And what that does is it enables you to position that first station and lock it down, and then position the second station and lock it down. And now tighten your vise and go. You're not limited. You can put a small part here and a big part here. It doesn't matter. You're just using up the travel of the vise for the double station. But what's really slick is to use it as a single station. If you're doing prototyping or short runs, you just simply close that back station like this and tighten the holding block down. And now you've got a 0 to 5 inch opening that's conveniently close to the operator. If you've got 16 or 20 inches of wide travel, why make parts in the back of the vise? Make them in the front of the vise close to you. So it's really convenient for, like I said, small single station. It goes 0 to 5 inches. If you need more than that on this vise, you simply take it apart. And I'm gonna show you how quick and easy this thing comes apart. We've got little caps here to keep chips out, so I'm gonna remove them like this and take out these plugs that keep the chips out. And I'm gonna show you here. Now we pull these out and take the center jaw completely out. So we've got precision shoulder screws that are like dowel pins with 1/2-13s on the bottom of them. And I'm gonna pull these out and take them out of this jaw and put them back into this jaw. Take that center jaw out completely and slide this back until they drop in to those back bores and tighten this down. And now what you've got is a huge single station vise that opens up over 12 inches on the bed. So I'm just gonna tighten this down like this. And you can put your caps back on to keep your stuff out of there. And now what you got is a 12 inches, over 12 inches on the bed. If you want to go bigger, you can mount outboard jaws and go 21 and go on top of the jaws, but over 12 inches on the bed. So that's the 3-in-1 vise. But because this vise comes apart so quick and easy, and I got to take these screws out, I'm going to show you how it cleans. We can take it apart here. Take these out. This. And like this. And this jaw comes apart. And now I just take this screw out that prevents it from coming out like this. And now the whole screw and nut assembly comes out that quick and easy to clean it. It's a simple right-hand, left-hand screw. There's hardly no maintenance to it. You can clean the chips out. And we can actually, because we can pull this vise apart so quick and easy, we've created mounting holes that mount directly to all the Haas line of T-slots and where they are, and I'll show that in a video. These precision holes here can be used as fixture plates. You can dowel and use 1/2-13s to mount whatever you want on it. So the vise is lighter now, so you can take it up out of the box, you can disassemble it and assemble it right on the machine, and I'll show another video of that. But that's what it is. It goes together just as quick as it came apart. I run these vises all the time, and every Monday I just pull them apart, clean them up, and they work great. So I'm gonna put it back together for you. And there you go. It's back together. And voila. And that's the new 3-in-1 vise that Haas is going to be selling for you.
So I hope you guys enjoyed that cool demo that Bill did for us. Thanks a lot for showing us that whole demonstration.
Thank you.
You bet. These vices are available now on HaasTooling.com. Thanks for watching.